This is the aromatic candle that never goes out and lasts forever. It is easy to make, it smells delicious, and you will have it ready to use in just 2 minutes. After you know how to make it, you will not buy scents on the market again. To start, first we are going to need a glass or glass container. In my case, I am using a glass of 400 milliliters. The first thing will be to add water until it reaches half. In my case, I will add 200 milliliters of water. Then we add a few pieces of pre-cut apple. Then we add the half orange peel. We also add a lemon cut into slices. A good amount of cloves. About 5-star anise heads. And as a last ingredient, cinnamon to taste. This can be in powder, but to make it look better, I recommend adding some pieces of cinnamon. Now I will add a little more water until I get to this point. And before I forget, tell me what country or city you are watching us from to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Anastasia Contreras, who is watching us from Colombia. We also add a little cooking oil. You can use any oil brand without having to worry, since the house will not smell burnt or fried. And in turn, you can add a little scented essence. In my case, I will add wood-scented essence. When these ingredients are mixed, the house will have a relaxing and delicious smell. At this point, we just have to put the wick. For this step, I will use a plastic glass. First, we cut the edges in this way that I show you, since we only need to stay with the bottom of the glass. Once this is done, this is how it should look. Now, with the help of a hot match, I will open a small hole in the middle, since that is where we will pass the wick of the candle. This is one of the best candles because it takes a long time to burn. I have used it to flavor for a long time, and when you turn it on, you will notice that the oil drops very little. The best of all is that it is very cheap to make. Once the wick is ready, I will put it in the glass by wetting it a little in this way. If you have a lot of wick left over, you can cut it. Now I will light it. Look at how easy and fast it was to make it. From now on, you will be able to feel the delicious aroma of this. Try to make it at home, and I'm sure everyone will ask for the recipe and they will love the result. If you have come this far, leave me the words, "See the infinite," so you know you saw the video until the end.